Welcome to Travel with Trey. Good morning. Today we want to talk about the economic effects of the Trump tariffs on the Dominican Republic trade and their economy. International companies are studying and contacting the Dominican Republic as a possible place to invest in the event that the United States establishes tariffs on imports from Canada, Mexico, and other countries. The director of the National Council of Free Trade Zones said that we are just starting the year, but in terms we could say that for the free trade zone, they would have an estimated infrastructure investment of $500 million by 2025, this year. Indicated that these companies wanted to move production to the DR, that is only 2 hours away by air, 2 days by sea freight from the United States, which is the world's leading buyer. What these companies want is to be close to their main buyer and with lower tariffs through the preferential schemes that we have through the free trade agreement here in the Dominican Republic. The Minister of Industry and Trade, Victor Bisogno, affirmed that the country is today the pearl of Latin America, which it truly is, and the Dominican Republic maintains social, economic, and political stability, as well as legal security, which makes it an attractive destination for investments that could be affected by these tariff barriers. These statements were made during the opening of the Manufacturing Summit 2025 in the Dominican Republic, where they explained that the event seeks to showcase the human and technical capital and private sector investments in industrial parks to take advantage of the opportunities available. Now, of course, as a commercial real estate agent and broker, I definitely find this very interesting and would love to get more into the market of the industrial space in the Dominican Republic. I'm very familiar with the homes and the villas and condos that are for sale because tourism is the main buyer of the Dominican Republic, the main investment of the Dominican Republic. So I'm definitely familiar with that, but it would be interesting to get into the industrial sector, warehouses, data centers, things of this nature, and see kind of where that is going and where the country can take that, because there is plenty of land, plenty of resources available to make that a viable income for the country. Now, the director also explained that manufacturing these products represents 14% of exports. They're speaking of electronic products and electrical products. So basically, the components that create electrical products, they would manufacture those in the Dominican Republic and ship them 2 hours by air, 2 days by sea to the United States, the main buyer. Now, these manufacturing these products represents 14% of exports from free trade zones, which is more than $1.2 billion just in 2024. 30 companies operate in this sector, generating more than 10,400 direct jobs and an accumulated investment of $196.3 million. Now, the president of the Free Trade Zone Association highlighted the exponential growth in the electrical and electronic market, the state's and private sector's promotion of productive linkage, and the development of local suppliers. She also stated that human talent training is being accelerated. Now, one of the universities, OEMA University in La Romana, they actually have a doctorate program which teaches how to link AI with business and to further business and make it more efficient. So the Dominican Republic is definitely investing in the digital sector, the electronics and manufacturing sector. They are still definitely strong in agriculture and tourism. But if they get in these manufacturing sectors with these tariffs that are coming down from importers to the United States, we definitely want to make sure that we definitely think we can grow in the Dominican Republic and just gain good foothold. So that is for today. Travel with Trey. Definitely love to see you. Right now I'm in America, but I will soon be back in the Dominican Republic and we'll have a live update there. We appreciate you. You guys have a great day. Thank you.